Dear friends, at the present situation of this virus pandemic, we have to safeguard ourselves by developing immunity into our body. This is the only solution to fight with this deadly virus. People are threatening to their new through news items and other things. Scare is created in people's mind. People are scared. Whatever little fever comes, they feel that the virus have been attacked to them. Like that, now our need of the hour is to develop immunity in the body. So simple and effective way of improving our immunity in the body to fight with the viruses, bacteria, and clean, clean lungs. The respiratory problems are cleared by our home herb. Every home, our houses in India, we are having this wonderful herb in the backyard. That is nothing but tulsi or basil leaves. Holy basil or tulsi leaves. These are the leaves we can get. If you don't have a tulsi tree in your tulsi plant in your home, you can purchase abundant tulsi leaves in a flower market. You will get this in flower market. You can keep it for a week in the fridge and use it. This develops immunity wonderfully in the body to fight with all bacteria, viruses, and other infections. Simple thing is prepare a wonderful tasty tea with this. With this basil leaves, tulsi leaves, we have to prepare a tea. Very easy, tasty also. Hot, you can sip it. Now rainy season is there. You can sip this basil leaves tea very nicely so that all seasonal infections also will be kept at a distance. To get the immunity, now let us prepare how to prepare this tea. See, a fistful of tulsi leaves, this much leaves, I am adding into two, two glasses of water in a vessel, in a, in a kettle, and we will boil this for 5 minutes. Now I am boiling this tulsi leaves, basil leaves, in 2 glasses of water so that it will boil for 5 minutes. Then we will distill it. Now this is sufficiently boiled. Now we will filter this into a cup. Now we will filter this. We will add some pepper powder into this. See, this is black pepper powder, and quarter spoon Himalayan pink salt or rock salt. We are adding this to this. Now, entire family, how many members are there? Drink this excellent tea. All the people in the home, children, including children, 100 ml each, twice a day, so that your body develops immunity and you are free from any virus attacks. This is the best way, and you can purchase Giloy Amla juice. Giloy Amla juice from Patanjali. That is also a immunity booster, so that your immunity will develop undoubtedly, and you can keep the virus attacks from your body away. Kindly do this. Enjoy this tea. If you don't like pepper powder and salt, you can add 2 spoons of honey, and then you can drink this. Slowly enjoy sip by sip hot. Now the season, rainy season is there. You can enjoy this in the hot by taking it very hot. So that slowly sip it. Enjoy the taste of the tulsi. Thank you very much.